Dog and Mouse Company. Hello, friends. Today we're going to learn about the number 2. Look, we have 2 playful monkeys ready to help us count. Let's find things that come in 2s. Look, there are 2 monkeys jumping and swinging. 1, 2. Can you count with me? Let's say it together. 1, 2. Great job. Oh, what did the monkeys find? 2 bananas? 1 for each monkey. Let's count. 1, 2. Yum. Listen to the sound. The monkeys found 2 little drums. Let's count. 1, 2. Tap, tap, tap. Splash. Splash. How many splashes did we see? 2. 1, 2. The monkeys love playing in the water. Wow. Look at these 2 big trees. The monkeys love to climb them. Let's count them together. 1, 2. 2 trees standing tall. Great job, everyone. Today we learned about the number 2. We saw 2 monkeys, 2 bananas, 2 drums, 2 big splashes, and 2 trees. So many 2s. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time.